So what year is this? I forget what year
82.
it is. 82. And we've never seen this bike on video before, so I'm going to do a nice walk around. Ooh, nice. The motor came out great on this. Wow. Yeah, I've seen the 750 many times. This is really, really nice. This is the one you would send me all the pictures of the wheels when you were doing the wheels?
Yep.
Clean as a whistle, Thomas, as always. How's it run? Nice?
It runs good.
Takes the gas nice and everything?
Yeah, I did it stage 2 Dynajet kit. Runs good.
Yeah, it's clean as a whistle. Wow. I remember when you were doing the wheels, I was looking at, I says, oh, I know what what he's going through now. Oh man, that's a beauty. That came with that oil cooler like that?
Yep. That's actually original too, the red paint. I didn't paint that.
You didn't like doll it up or anything?
I got to redo it.
And it came with that fairing, or is that an aftermarket?
That's how the bike
This is how the bike came.
Yep.
I'm not familiar with this level of bike. Whoa, that really came out nice. Now, you got to see this in real life to appreciate just how nice and clean it is. I don't think I've ever seen a cleaner one. Are you going to bring this to Rutt's hut?
I was.
Or the turbo?
I'll be in road.
Leave it in my garage. I'll take it for you. Yeah, but for people that don't know, Thomas is an expert level modeler, and that's how we were introduced. So he's going to Brodax. You're going to Brodax, right?
Yeah.
Wow. I wish I had the time. My grandson's birthday party's coming up. I don't have a choice about that.
Yes.
He had to be born, right, when we're at the time of Brodax. Yeah, this is really, really nice. Now, when you put them together, they must look like a pair. They must have that...
Yeah, same color, firecracker red.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Really, really nice.
This was the bike I wanted before I bought the turbo when I was 17 years old.
I wanted every bike.
Oh, yeah.
I was a hog. The exhaust system is really nice. Now, that's aftermarket, I know that.
Yeah, that's a Max system. I'm going to get something a little better for it. Sounds pretty good.
It sounded nice when you were pulling in here. That sounded really nice, in fact. Really cool. Boy, that's a beauty. What a beauty. How many miles you got on it now?
So, 10,500 somewhere.
Nah, brand new. Brand new. No bugs on the exhaust yet. Yeah, that oil cooler is really cool. He's got a red oil cooler. I don't know if you can see that on the video. A red oil cooler. That's pretty cool. Well, all I can say is that is, if not the cleanest GPZ550 I've ever seen. And your turbo's the cleanest turbo I've ever seen, so you got a match pair here. That is really nice. That is really nice.